Welcome to 7 Kingsbridge, a freehold townhouse that's located in the beautiful community of Beverly Glen. We're near shops, parks, even the GO train is nearby. This home has tons of upgrades, one of the biggest ones right over here. You'll notice that the kitchen has an open concept. That's right, the owner has taken the initiative to open up this wall and create this beautiful space, excellent for entertaining. The one thing that's great about this, we have 9-foot ceilings, which gives us ample space for the cabinets. One beautiful feature over there is a gas fireplace, excellent to cozy up with the family. But this townhouse has tons of space. The rooms are massive. You have a 5-piece bathroom ensuite, as well as a walk-in closet for the master bedroom. With the weather finally starting to warm up, this beautiful backyard will be perfect for barbecues with the family. Enjoy the tour for 7 Kingsbridge.